There are 14 letters in the toki pona alphabet, and some syllables like wu, wo, yi, and ti that are banned. Some words don't necessarily follow that. And introducing the letter Y in upekosi and yutu. Nobody knows how to really pronounce it, and these are both joke words. Upekosi means to behave like George Lucas and revise your old creative works and actually make them worse. And yutu is the star emoji used to feature messages in a Tokipona Discord server using something called Starboard. R is also not in the Tokipona alphabet, yet a pirate noise in Tokipona is kanamar, a play on the word kanama, which means sound. Bingo, it means a car in Tokipona, although the letter G doesn't exist. Some words that break the Tokipona phonotactis are yans, which means a particular group of early members of the Mapona Discord, and since can't be on its own. And the N can't be on its own. That goes with for nya as well, which represents the sound cats make. Uoiti it literally means to use the banned syllables uoi or t, which breaks Tokipona phonotactics. Well, these are literally illegal words, but let's look at some joke words too, as the title of this video is Strange Tokipona Words. The most iconic one, as you might know, is Hiete Santakanu, with the meaning of raccoons, red pandas, and other animals of the family. Sutopatikuna means a platypus, and munapisu is a pizza, and yonke represents a goose sound. Check out Ninku for the entire list of Tokipona words, whether it's strange or not, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe, because at 200 subscribers, we are going to do something more crazy.